Neville Goddard Revision Meditation. 15 minutes. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to try too hard. You are simply entering a state of quiet receptivity. Now close your eyes. Become aware of your breathing. Notice the air moving in and out. With each exhale, allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to unclench. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. Only this moment. Take a slow breath in and slowly release it. Again. Breathing in calm, breathing out the day. One more time. Breathing in peace. Breathing out everything you no longer need to carry. Now bring to mind the events of the day. Allow them to drift before you like pages in a book. Observe them without judgment. You are not here to criticize yourself. You are not here to relive the pain. You are here because imagination is creative. You are here because what is revised in consciousness can become revised in experience. Notice if there was a moment that disappointed you. A conversation that did not go as you wished. Words left unsaid. An outcome that felt unfair. A reaction you would rather have expressed differently. Choose one scene. Only one. A scene that you now lovingly choose to rewrite. See the original event for just a moment. Acknowledge it, and now let it fade. Because you are no longer bound to it. You are the operant power. You decide what takes root in consciousness. You decide what story is carried forward Now, recreate the scene exactly as you wish it had happened. If it was a conversation, hear the words you wanted to hear. If you desired kindness, receive kindness. If you desired understanding, experience understanding. If you wish you had responded differently, see yourself responding with confidence, wisdom, and ease. Make it natural, simple, real. Use all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What expressions are on the faces around you? How does your body feel? What emotions arise? And most importantly, how does it feel to know that this is how it happened? Rest in that feeling. Accept it as true. Accept it as done. So you can do this now. remain with your revised scene. Replay it gently, again and again. Not with strain, not trying to convince yourself. Simply experience it. Allow it to become the memory you keep. Feel the relief. Feel the gratitude. Feel the satisfaction. The past no longer has authority over you. Only the meaning you accept within consciousness remains alive. Now begin to let the scene settle. There is no need to force it further. It is complete. It is done. The revised experience has been accepted. Now take a moment to appreciate yourself for choosing differently, for choosing love over condemnation, for choosing possibility over regret, for choosing the version of reality you wish to inhabit. Allow a feeling of peace to spread through your body. You are not carrying the old story. You are carrying the revised one. The seed has been planted. What is impressed upon consciousness expresses itself naturally. You can rest now. Breathe in gently and exhale slowly. Notice the support beneath you. Notice the calm within you. Repeat quietly to yourself, I revise with love. I choose the story I accept as true. I forgive the appearance of limitation. What I accept in imagination shapes my experience. It is done. Rest for a few more moments in gratitude. Trust the process and trust your imagination. Trust the unseen movement already taking place. And when you are ready, either drift peacefully into sleep or slowly open your eyes, bringing this calm certainty with you into the rest of your day or night. It is done.